If you're watching this video, it's not a coincidence. Jesus supports you, so pay attention to what he's revealing today without delay. Someone has invaded your privacy by placing a secret camera in your bathroom because they are overly interested in your personal life. This isn't just a simple invasion of your privacy, it's an attack on your peace and security. But don't be scared, Jesus has exposed this to keep you safe. He is shining a light on any schemes against you. This moment isn't meant to scare you, but to give you strength. Jesus is showing his constant love and protection. Through this, stay strong because justice is on your side. Say, I claim protection from Jesus to feel his guidance. He is your protector, shielding you from hidden threats and guiding you during tough times. Discovering this hidden camera shows that nothing stays hidden with Jesus. Even when the enemy tries to make you afraid or doubtful, remember that Jesus' protection is like a fortress nothing bad can get through. Think about God's words in Isaiah 41:10. Do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. These words are comforting. Trust in Jesus' strength to help you overcome this challenge. Say, I trust Jesus' protection to accept his promise. Have you noticed anything odd lately? Maybe someone is acting strangely, or you feel uneasy for no clear reason. These aren't just random feelings. Jesus is trying to tell you something, asking you to be careful and watchful. Evil often hides in the shadows, but Jesus' light reveals all. Ask for the ability to see things clearly and watch for signs he might be showing you. Even a small clue, like something out of place or a weird comment, could be important. Let the Holy Spirit lead your thoughts and actions as you deal with this. Say, I am vigilant with Jesus, to show you're paying attention. Jesus has let you know about this because he believes in your strength to handle it. Now is the time to act bravely and with faith. Whether you need to talk to someone you trust, seek legal advice, or take steps to protect yourself, don't hesitate. At home, know that Jesus guides every step you take with his wisdom. Think about the story of David and Goliath, a small stone, with faith, brought down a giant. Believe that Jesus is guiding you and giving you the tools you need to overcome this challenge. Say, I take action with Jesus to accept his strength. There's more to be aware of. Someone close to you is pretending to be a friend, but is actually jealous of your success. They smile at your face, but secretly wish for your downfall and spread lies to ruin your reputation. But Jesus sees everything, and he promises that their plans will fail. This isn't to start a fight, but to help you protect yourself. Trust in Jesus to deal with them fairly. Say, Jesus defeats my enemies to claim victory. Hard times can be tough, but they also help us grow stronger in faith. Jesus uses these times to make us better, like gold tested in fire. Whatever bad things others plan, God can turn them into good for you. Reflect on your past struggles. They've prepared you for now. Remember Romans 8:28, God works for the good of those who love him. This truth should give you courage, knowing you're already a winner with Christ. Say, I am strengthened by Jesus to show his power. You're never fighting alone. Angels sent by Jesus work day and night to keep you safe and lead you. Their help might not always be obvious, a sudden peace, a problem solved unexpectedly, but they are always with you. Ask for their help and trust they're watching over you. Psalms 91:11 says, he will command his angels to protect you wherever you go. Speak this out loud and invite their help into your life. Say, I claim angelic protection to get their guidance. Faith is your biggest shield against troubles. It means really trusting Jesus in everything you do. When you feel weak, Remember that His strength shows in your weakness. Give Him your fears and let His peace calm you. Build your faith by praying, reading the Bible, and staying close to those who encourage you. Keep close to people who make you feel good. Being part of a community that believes gives you strength and reminds you you're not alone. Say, I walk in faith with Jesus to show you trust Him. Every challenge you face, Jesus is right there with you. Finding out about this betrayal proves He's looking out for you. He wants you to live freely, without fear or lies. Trust Him to heal the hurt from this and to right the wrongs. Forgiveness might be tough, but it frees you from holding on to bitterness. Trust that He will make things right. Say, Jesus is my victory to make this sure. Jesus has a promise. For you, in the midst of trouble, a big positive change is coming. What was meant to harm you will help you grow and open new doors. This might mean fixing friendships, new chances coming your way, or feeling more at peace. Believe this is all part of God's plan for you. Say, I claim my breakthrough with Jesus to welcome this good change. Moving forward, let this experience remind you of Jesus' never-failing love and protection. Share your story to encourage others and strengthen their faith. Do what you need to protect your home and privacy, but remember, the best safety comes from the Lord. Psalms 46:1 says, God is our refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble. Think about this verse and let it guide you. Say, Jesus is my refuge to recognize His constant presence. Jesus doesn't just show you the problems, He gets rid of them. He doesn't only point out your enemies, He silences them. The hidden camera, the lies, the betrayal, nothing can stand against His power. This moment is a change for the better, a divine act that breaks all the chains holding you back. Think of Daniel in the lion's den. Not only was he safe, but he also thrived. That same power from God is working for you now. Those trying to hurt you will be shocked as they see God's justice unfold and your victory take shape. Say, Jesus breaks my chains to declare your freedom. You might be wondering why this is all happening. Jesus wants you to know that challenges often come to those who are meant for great things. Your goodness, potential, and blessings scare the darkness. This isn't a punishment, but a sign that you're meant to do great things. The enemy tried to shake your faith, but instead lit a lasting fire inside you. Your challenges show that you're following the path God has for you. Say, I embrace my destiny to commit to this journey. Big changes are coming, things are about to flip around, and those who try to hurt you will get caught in their own traps. Jesus is turning things around. The hidden camera and harmful lies are just the beginning of their problems. Soon, everyone will see the truth, and it will clear your name and bring you peace. This will also warn others that you can't mess with God's chosen ones. Remember Psalms 105:15, do not touch my anointed ones, do my prophets no harm. Hold on to this verse and walk confidently, knowing you're fully protected. Say, Jesus is my avenger to claim your justice. Jesus has something powerful for you. Not only will you get through this tough time, but there's also a huge reward coming your way. It's not just about getting by, it's about doing better than ever. The enemy thought they could steal from you, but Jesus is about to give you even more, like a better job, a big financial boost, or an amazing new opportunity. Whatever it is, it's a sign of His special favor on your life. Say, I receive my reward from Jesus to unlock these blessings. This situation is a wake-up call to not only protect your physical space, but also to strengthen your spirit. The devil tries to find weak spots, but Jesus has given you everything you need to stand strong. Prayer, worship, and reading the Bible are your spiritual tools. Make a habit of spending time with Jesus every day. Start your day feeling thankful and end it thinking about what you've learned. Speak positively about yourself and ignore the enemy's lies. Your faith is like a shield, making you unstoppable. Say, I armor up with Jesus to hold strong in your faith. This betrayal might have made you feel alone, but Jesus is already bringing people into your life who will help and support you. He's removing negative people and bringing in friends, mentors, and family who show his love. These new friends will bring joy and support, reminding you how great it is to connect with others and be part of a community. Trust that he's bringing these people to you at the right time. Say, I welcome God's chosen people to accept these new, positive relationships. The enemy thought they could quiet you, but they've only made you louder. They tried to break you, but Jesus is using this challenge to make you even stronger. Every plan against you has failed and only lifted you higher. This should show everyone that when you're with Jesus, you can't be beaten. Your life shows his strength, and no plan against you will work. Say, Jesus turns my pain into power to show you're winning. This is not the end of your story. You're starting a new chapter own filled with blessings, breakthroughs, and rock-solid faith. Jesus has made a clear path for you to boldly walk into what's next. Take a moment to thank him for guiding and protecting you. Think about how much you've achieved and all the good things still to come. Your future looks bright because it's lit by his light. Say, Jesus leads my future to step into your special role. Here's a powerful message for you in the next 14 days. You'll see an incredible act of God in your life. Something that seemed impossible will suddenly change for the better, and you'll be sure it's Jesus working for you. Get ready for this miracle. Keep praying, and stay strong in your faith. When it happens, tell everyone about it to show how powerful Jesus is. Say, I claim my 14-day miracle to make sure this word comes true. Did you know that the person who put the secret camera wasn't alone? Jesus has shown that several people, driven by jealousy and greed, plotted against you. They wanted to mess with your privacy, ruin your name, block your chances, and steal your happiness. But their plans are falling apart faster than they can fix them. God is bringing everything they did in secret into the open. They thought they could hide, but Jesus is shining his truth on every part of their plan. Say, Jesus exposes my enemies to show their plans are failing. Get ready, because someone involved in this betrayal is about to come clean. They feel so guilty they can't keep quiet anymore. Soon they'll tell everything they know. This confession is something Jesus arranged, and it will clear things up and bring you justice. When they speak up, your situation will change dramatically, leading to unexpected clearing of your name and fixing of things. Say, the truth will set me free to claim this reveal. Right now, as you read this, Jesus is moving big obstacles for you. Someone important and surprising is coming into your life to help out. This person is a sign of God's favor and is ready to help you overcome the mess and reach your goals. This connection will bring real benefits and remind you how much Jesus loves and looks after you. He's essentially saying, I'm taking care of you. The miracles coming your way will be so amazing that everyone will be amazed. Say, my miracle is here to welcome this divine help. No matter what comes next, keep this in mind: Jesus has already made sure you'll win. The discovery of the secret camera, the betrayal by someone you trusted, and every challenge you faced were all planned by him to bring you closer. Move forward with confidence, knowing you are safe, loved, and meant for big things. The enemy tried to bring you down, but Jesus has turned their plans into steps for your success. Say, Jesus is my everything to finish this message with a victory.